Hello everyone, here is Uncle Frank again. This time I'm gonna teach you how to draw Minnie Mouse. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do it now. Leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment telling us what you want to learn. So we're gonna start with the circle, which is gonna be the same model for Mickey Mouse. I'm going to divide the head with this this line, which is going to be a little bent to the side. And this is going to be my action line. It's going to be here so I can have a better idea of the pose. Okay, now that we have it, I'm going to draw a small circle right under the bigger one, right under the head. And I'm gonna draw a slightly bigger one overlapping the one on top, like this. So you can have an idea of the direction of the body, which is going according to the line. Now the legs are gonna be parallel lines, so I'm going to refine first the line which is gonna come from the back. And the other line which is gonna come from her stomach, like this. And then I'm gonna draw the parallel lines. So these are gonna be the legs, and then I'm gonna draw an oval here at the base of the lines, or the base of the legs. So we know where we're gonna start drawing the feet. Following the shape of these ovals, I'm going to draw the shoe around it. A little pointy on the tip. I'm gonna do the same on the other foot. Like this. Okay, I think it's alright. I might change it in the future if I'm not satisfied. Let me go for the other elements now, and then we can evaluate. So I'm gonna divide the face in a few parts. So this would be something around a third of the circle, right here. And then I know that her nose is gonna be right under this line. Okay, so from this point here, I'm gonna start drawing the cheek. And I'm gonna drag it to the other side of the face. And I'm gonna finish it with a curve like this. Okay, can you see where we're going now? Now I'm gonna draw a big M. And connect the two parts of her head. Like this. Now that we have the nose, we're gonna start drawing the eyes, and we're gonna begin with this curve on top of the nose, and the eyes are gonna come from here. So a very thin vertical oval, and that's gonna be a short curve at the base. Gonna do the same with the other one. with a curve at the base. Now the iris, just a very small oval, looking this way. So from here, I'm going to draw her smile going across her face. It's gonna be really, really long, so be careful not to mess it up. That's alright. And then the mouth is just gonna be a letter U close to the side. And the tongue is gonna be here. Okay, I just placed another letter U under the mouth, so we know it's gonna be her lower lip. Let's get on with the head, and I'm gonna draw the ears now, which are gonna make her look very much like the classic Mickey Mouse logo, like this. Three eyelashes on each eye. And then we can start drawing her tie on top of her head. We're gonna start with this shape, which is gonna be like a trapeze with rounded corners. And then there's gonna be this hook. And the top of her tie, which is going to be really long and kind of pointy. I'm gonna try and do something similar on the other side. A hook, and I'm gonna drag the next line from behind. So this is gonna be the inside, and a few curves and folds. Here I'm just erasing a few lines so I don't get confused as I go on. Now let's work a little on the shape of her body. So you see that the curve for her back is this one, and this is gonna be her stomach, and we know that her body is basically gonna be like this. We're gonna drag a line coming from her back. It's going to go down and then up again. Okay, so this is her skirt, and with two curves on the bottom. Three curves here. I'm not quite satisfied with the size of her shoes, so I'm gonna make them a little bigger. And I go on erasing a few of my guiding lines. Now she's gonna have a band on her waist. Like this. And we're gonna start her shoulder with this bean next to her mouth. The other arm is gonna come from this point. Okay. The first arm is just gonna be straight down. Short like this. It's gonna end next to the skirt. And now for her hand, without too many details, I have to draw this line here. That's gonna be her palm. this one curved line is gonna be her little finger. The other are just gonna be curves on the palm. With this oval here, I'm establishing the place for her hand. And the finger that's gonna be touching her head, it's gonna be a curve like this. We're not gonna show the whole finger. And then it's gonna be connected to the hand again. The other fingers are just gonna come from this point and one in front of the other. It's just gonna be 3 fingers. Okay, this is gonna be her thumb. A curve here at the base of the hand next to the wrist, and we're gonna connect the arm and the shoulder now. It's not gonna be a perfect fit, but it's a cartoon, you gotta cut me some slack. And then I'm gonna refine her sleeve. Okay, now it's time to do the line work. As you can see, I'm not erasing all the pencil lines because I feel like I'm gonna need some of them to find the dark areas. And I'm gonna use some colored pencils this time because I feel they are vivid enough. And now for the black areas, I decided not to use a colored pencil because last time I did it, it didn't look so well. So I'm gonna use a marker because it's gonna be a lot blacker. Alright, so Minnie is ready. I hope you guys have enjoyed the process and I hope you have learned something with it. So stick around with us, explore the channel, I'm sure you can find something you like. Leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, see you guys next time, bye bye.